All right, and number 8 on the ellipse test, you pick out H, K, A, B, and C. This is what we did yesterday, guys. We did all day. Okay, all we did was pick out the H value. Left 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 4, so H is 4. I'm sorry, I went left, so H is -4. H is always what? The X value of the vertex. Guys, that's a good piece of information for tomorrow. That's a good way to write that. Go down 2. When you go down 2, that's K, -2. The Y value of the vertex. Now, I'm about to change something based on what we said in the last example, because the last example that we worked was a hyperbola. Now, I'm going to draw this axis. Okay? That's the minor axis, guys. That's the shorter one. Look, the major axis. That's the longer axis, so that's the major axis. The major axis is the longer axis. You got to write this as the major axis, which means it's what letter? Okay. So that's 3. Again, I got that from here. 1, 2, 3. The minor axis in this particular problem happens to be the same thing there as the theta 1, 2, so this number is 2. What makes it major or minor is the length. And then when we calculate C in just a minute, C is the square root of A squared minus B squared. So I plug this stuff in. So I go X plus 4 squared plus Y plus 2 squared equals 1. And the question becomes, where does A and B go? Well, if you see that the major axis is parallel to the x-axis, this is the x-axis. The major axis, that blue line, is parallel to it. That means A goes here. A goes underneath this number. And A is 3, so 3 squared is 9. B is 2, so that's 4. And then this is always the square root of 9 minus 5, or 9 minus 4 is 5. And this is from the center, from the center to vertex on major axis. And B is always center to vertex, talk to me, on the minor axis. You tell the major axis from the minor axis is the major axis is longer. Good? So you just match it up